everyone. Today I will make a installation and maintenance video for rubber band trade, and also my part is about double top and bottom. So I assume that all of you have installed these two software, Forex and Meta Editor 4, and we can load this EA from the internet. Okay, let's do it. Let's open the Meta Editor 4. And from the interface, we can see here the exports folder. And we click the right button and we open folder. So we can see all the EA, and we can join the EA to the folder. Okay, let's open it again. We can see this EA is right here, and we double click it, we can open it, and this is the EA, and now we compile it, and there's no errors, so we can see the folder. We get this file, so we can use it. We start debug it. Yeah, okay. Let's switch to okay. We switch to it, and for the software, for the interface, we can see my EA here it is, and we can draw it to the picture interface, and we can see this. We can see here. So I have loaded it, and after that we can use this EA to make money. And how we maintenance this EA, we can switch to the Meta Editor 4, and if you want to change something for the code, we can just do it at here, at this file. And if you want to add some other external variables or change the body part, you can just do it. And after you change it, you can debug it and compile it, and you will get what you want. And after that, you can open it again at the navigator at here, and use it again. Okay, this part is very easy, so I think everyone can do it. This is the contact information. If you have any information, you can contact me. Okay, that's all. Thank you.